When danger strikes, readiness saves lives. In every school across the nation, every second counts. Because every child matters. The alarm sounds. Without hesitation, teachers take charge. Lights off. Curtains drawn, windows shut. Everyone down, under your desks or against the wall. They sweep the hallways, the playgrounds, the bathrooms, pulling every child to safety. Inside, students move fast. They duck under desks, cover their heads with hands or school bags. Those near the walls crouch low, hands over their necks. Older students help the younger ones. Small hands, big courage, protecting each other, protecting themselves. Teachers stay calm. Their voices are steady. Their presence is reassuring. Doors are locked. Emergency kits are ready. They move room to room, watchful, composed, guiding every child. At home, preparedness continues. Children talk to their families about what they learned in school. Because safety begins with awareness. At night, drawing thick curtains or using dark cloth helps block out any light that could attract danger. And every household should keep a small emergency kit, basic medicines, a torch, water and essentials, ready for any situation. In those quiet, tense moments, something powerful happens. An entire school stands united, silent, alert, prepared, not in fear, but in strength. Because when we prepare together, we stand strong. When we protect each other, we protect the nation. Lights off, duck down, cover your head, stay away from windows, trust your teachers, talk to your family, prepare your kit, protecting every child, protecting India's future.